how to expand on LinkedIn. As part of your daily routine, as I said, you'll be visiting LinkedIn many times a day. Perhaps you'll be doing these 10 minutes of sprints every hour. You go and then you take a break, you grab your mobile, and then you go there and find opportunities, interact with your connections. But you are going to also perhaps get it overnight and later in the night and grab it another hour, or maybe early in the morning. See, I do that. I get these small, I make these small sprints every hour, but I also go every day in the morning before I start my work. I see that helps me build my agenda and see my prospects. I find opportunities. But I also take this flow, right? As I said, every day that I go there, I expand, I share, and I engage. And I expand, and I share, and I engage. So how to expand? What is expanding on LinkedIn? Expanding on LinkedIn, for me, it's being visible, it's increasing your connections with people who can bring you opportunities, people of your industry. The first thing that I'm going to tell you here is accept all connections. Don't be picky. Say, why? Say, you can be picky on Instagram, perhaps Facebook, Twitter, but LinkedIn, it's you can take into consideration that a person is there for business, for hiring, for buying, for offering their services, for finding jobs. They are there for a reason that is probably going to match one of your reasons. So why not accepting that connection? That person that you never heard of. See, you never know. I tell in my book how many opportunities I got from people that there are people that I never met in person, and that they gave me opportunities. They spoke about me to others. I have partners, I have companies that I built with partners who were introduced to me through connections, people connected with me on LinkedIn. Of course, it is very nice when you finally meet these people offline, right? You go for a coffee, and then you meet those people, and then you have, like, it looks like you are acquainted with them for years. So the professional networks and the social networks, LinkedIn especially, they have this power. They have this power to make you better known to other people. You can expand your world like never before. So accept the connections and also find opportunities for you to connect with new people. Ask for connections all the time. Ask for 50 connections a day, 100 connections a day. I will go through all these step by step and how you are going to increase your connections from 50 to 100 connections a day. I'm going to show you how to do that. For now, I want you to think about that. Think that you are there to increase your connections. Expanding is fundamental for your success as well, because you want more people consuming what you post. You want more people knowing about you. And you want these people to be the people in your industry, or at least related with someone of your industry. The more you can do that, the more you can create these silos of people from your industry, the more you can create these micro niches, the better your opportunities will be for you. The better they will know you, trust you, the better they will talk with you as if they met you before. I know people from all over the world. I deal with them. I offer them. I send them my book. They send me their books. They try to sell me things. I try to sell them things. I get invitations to speak. I invite them to speak. I invite them to participate in our products. There are people, of course. Most of these connections, most of these. The majority of these relationships, they won't get me too far, but I am amplifying my chances by doing this. And the more connections I have, the more these chances are, the better these chances are.